Hi everyone, Miss Cahill here. Today I'm going to show you how to make sure that your iPad is up to date and what to do if your iPad is not up to date. In order to have a successful online or digital or blended learning experience, you need to make sure that all of your software is up to date. If you're ever having any issues, you can always go back and check to see if your iPad is up to date. That's usually one of the main culprits. So here we go. Here I am on my home screen, and I can see that I have some notifications in my settings app. I have mine placed in a really easy to access spot so I can see these notifications. So I'm going to go to the settings app, which is at the bottom of my screen, kind of towards the middle, and it looks like the gray gear. So I'm going to click on that. And I am currently in settings. Now, in the general section, when you open your settings app, this is where it should be. So you can see that in that menu under general, it says about and then software update. I am going to press software update. You can see here that for me, it says iPad OS 13.3.1, your software is up to date. I have automatic updates turned on as well so that I get notified whenever it's time to update my iPad. If you don't have that turned on, you would just select automatic updates and make sure that the green tab is turned on. If your screen does not look like this, then that means your iPad is not up to date. So you're going to need to go ahead and update it. It's pretty self-explanatory from there. You're going to want to make sure that your iPad is either fully charged or that it's right near one of those bigger brick chargers so that it updates. Once you do that, your iPad is good to go for further steps. If you have any questions about how to update your iPad, feel free to email me at cahillm, that's CAHILLM, at verona.k12.wi.us. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye now.